Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to update your iPhone to iOS 26 quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your iPhone supports iOS 26. Generally, iPhone 12 and newer are good to go, but check Apple's official list if you're unsure. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and ensure your phone is at least 50% charged, or keep it plugged in during the update. Go to Settings, find General and click Software Update on your iPhone. Turn on the automotive updates and the update version will occur. Then tap Download and install under the iOS 26 update. When it finishes, your iPhone will restart and install the iOS 26 automatically. Using iTunes on Windows or Finder can be another simple and robust method to update to iOS 26. Connect your iPhone to your Windows using a USB cable first. Open iTunes or Finder and then select your iPhone, then click the Check for Update option. When the iOS 26 is available, click Download and Update. Make sure your device is well connected and wait for it to finish the update. Before you dive into exploring, here's a quick tip. Always back up your data before major updates. If you haven't yet, tools like Syncios Mobile Manager make it super easy to back up your photos, videos, contacts, and more to your computer. If it helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.